Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your on-chain to OKX wallet. Make sure to stick around till the end to get the full video. So let's dive right in. First, go ahead and download the OKX wallet to your smartphone if you don't have it already. Once you have got the wallet set up, and next step is to add on-chain to your network. You can either create a new wallet or import an existing one and then sign in. Now tap on register and wait for it to load. If you're already logged into your on-cash or on-chain account, you'll see a page that allows you to click on Connect Wallet. From there, connect to the Ethereum network. After that, sends the registration message to click and confirm. You'll be prompted to enter your on-chain account password. Do that and you're almost done. Once you have completed this, you'll see a confirmation that your wallet has been successfully registered for the on-chain token claim. Now go back to your Telegram or any other app, and when you reopen your on-chain app, you'll see that your wallet is registered for your airdrop. And that's it. That's how you connect your on-chain to OKX wallet. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.